We're standing at the Munir bus stop right now. This is where the Delhi Braveheart and her friend boarded a bus on the fateful night of 16th December 2012. The people that you see here are mostly students and activists from JNU and other members of the society who've gathered here to show their solidarity and support not only to the Delhi Braveheart but to those hundreds and thousands of women who suffer at the hands of men. What are the kind of fears, if any, that you still have in your mind when it comes to living in the national capital and traveling maybe by public transport?
Yeah, it comes from the society itself. Like, society is patriarchal at the first hand. So this fear is there because of the society construct and all this. So that should go at the first hand. And we all should, try hard to, fight against all kind of patriarchy.
And a lot of women here and otherwise also have pointed out that it's the attitude of men that needs to change. Do you think it has changed so far, or is it a long way to go?
It's still it's a big fight. The fight has started. As I said, that we have started to recognize what the faults are. At least we have started debating about them. At least we are recognizing that there have been problems. I think yes, both the levels, from the institutional levels, the parliament, it has to come up with stronger legislatures. The government has to decide that they will keep on diluting the laws and let the perpetrators go scot-free, or they should really take a decisive step and finally just check whatever is happening. At the societal level, we as individuals also need to accept our responsibilities. We need to accept that we are form of a collective and we have certain responsibilities that we need to take forward.
So clearly, very interesting voices coming out of here. We know that there has been some change, even though the number of reported rape cases in Delhi have increased. Yes, that is true. Yes, sexual harassment still takes place. Yes, there are still rapes that happen in Delhi and across the country. But the fact remains that there has been a significant change, and a change that will go a long way in making India much safer for women.